Hello students and welcome to English class. Today we'll begin with the new chapter of our grammar textbook, and the first chapter of your grammar textbook is sentences. Dear students, whenever we want others to understand us, we express what we have in our mind, isn't it? Words helps us in doing so. Any doubt about it? But words have to be put in certain order in order to make a sensible form. This meaningful order of group of words is what we call as sentences. So dear students, can you tell me what a sentence is? Meaningful order of group of words is in order to make a complete sentence is what we call as sentence. Now, dear students, let's analyze these two examples. First one, match, very interesting, was, it, a. Does it make any sense to you? They are merely group of words. Now, let's try to rearrange in order to give a full meaning. So, when you are arranging it in a proper pattern, the answer what you are getting is, it was a very exciting match. So, now we have made it into group of words with a complete meaning. So, group of words with complete meaning is what we call as sentence. Now, dear students, what else have you noticed in this sentence? Yes, the sentence is beginning with a capital letter. There is a complete sense, or it makes a complete sense. And moreover, the sentence is ending with a full stop. So these are some of the basic things that we can say about a sentence. Now, let's rearrange the words which is given, the jumbled words given in your textbook to a meaningful sentence. I request all of you to take your grammar textbook. Chapter number 1, sentences, first exercise. I hope that all are now with your English grammar textbook. So exercise number 1, it is rearrange the words to frame meaningful sentences in each sentence with appropriate punctuation marks. First question, grew, tree, house, the, behind, banyan, the. We need to arrange it into a meaningful sentence. Let's try it out. Dear students, first and the basic thing what we need to do when you are arranging sentence, when you are arranging jumbled words into a meaningful sentence is to identify the subject and the object. Subject and object can be name of person, place or thing. So whatever is given in this question as a noun, first of all, we can underline it. Then, based on whether we need to fix it in the beginning or the ending part, we can frame a sentence very easily. And first, so as a part of it, first and the foremost thing is that find out the sentence which is beginning with a capital letter. Which is the word beginning with capital letter here? It is the. So that will be definitely the first word of this sentence. So first you can write the. Now find out the nouns here. How many nouns are there? Tree is a noun, house is a noun, and banyan is a noun. Isn't it? Now find out the verb here. Verb is action. Which is a verb here? Grew is a verb here. So definitely grew should come only after the noun. Now you fix it in any manner you like. Answer will be the banyan tree grew behind the home. You have to guess and do to an extent you have to guess. But it will become easy if you are able to find out nouns in this given sentence, in this given words. Because usually noun will come only in the beginning or in the end. either as a subject or as a verb. So, can you guess the answer? The banyan tree grew behind the house. The banyan tree grew behind the house. Now, all can start reading the second question. Branches, enormous, ground, the, to, its, hung. Which is the word that begins with the capital letter here? Its, isn't it? So take one rough paper and write its first. Wrote. Now find out the nouns in the sentence. Which are the nouns coming here? Branches. Is it name of person, place or a thing? Branches? Yeah, that is a noun. Okay, after branches, which is another noun. Anyway, in most of the sentences, there will be two nouns. One is branches. Enormous, is it name of person, place or thing? Is it a noun? No. What about ground? Ground is a noun. So now we have got two nouns. Which is the first word you need to write? The one which is starting with capital letter. So you have written its. Now you can put branches one side and ground another side. Branches one side and ground another side. Now whatever is remaining in between, you can fix it and make a meaningful sentence. That part you have to do by yourself. Sorry, you have found two nouns now. Now find out the verb. Which is a verb there? It is hung. So hung can be written somewhere soon after the noun. That is its. I have written branches first. Then you can leave certain space and write hung. Now, how will you combine it? And now students, after doing till here, framing a meaningful sentence need to be done as per your imagination and your intelligence. So what can be the answer here? Answer is its enormous branches hung to the ground. I'll repeat it once more. Its enormous branches hung to the ground. Now I'll help you to do the third question also. Remaining you can do as homework. Okay. So the third question. Thick. The green feet high leaves 60 had tree. So check it and tell me which is the word that should come in the beginning. Which is the word which starts with or which begins with capital letter here? It is the. Isn't it? The. Write it. Now find out the nouns coming here. Which are the nouns coming here? Thick. Is it a noun? No. Green? No. Feet? No. High? No. Leaves? Is it a noun? Leaves is the name of a thing, right? So mark it. 60 had tree. Tree is also noun. So we have got two nouns now. One is green and one is tree. First of all, arrange it. You can write in both the manners and also you can ensure the answers in the end. So, now which is the verb here? Verb. It is had. H-A-D, had. So you have written the tree had leaves. Isn't it? Now fill up the gap using the remaining words given there. So what will be the answer now? Answer is the 60 feet. What's the answer? The thick 60 feet high tree. Sorry, the 60 feet high tree had thick leaves. Now Fifth question. Students, I'll just help you to find out the noun. Remaining you have to do by yourself. Okay, tell me which is the word that you have to write in the beginning. Which is the word coming in capital letter here? A. So first write a. Then which are the nouns here? Lived, is it a noun? No. Trunk? It's a noun, right? So trunk is there. Then what else is there? Hornbill is a noun, isn't it? It's a bird. And again, which else is a noun? Hole is also a noun. Yes, now tell me how many nouns did you get? You've got 3 nouns, isn't it? Trunk, hornbill and hole. Usually, till now we have discussed only about 2 nouns, isn't it? So let's keep it one side and find out the verb now. Which is the verb here? Action word. It is lived. So now write beginning of the sentence is a. So which is the word that you are going to write first? Is it hornbill or see trunk and hole should go together because hole is connected to the tree tongue, no? So it should go together. And when 3 nouns are given, we have to see whether one of the word is connected to other word in any manner. Here we have got hornbill, trunk and hole. So hornbill is one noun, trunk is another noun, hole is another. Hole can be connected to either trunk or hornbill. Only 2 nouns we need. So based on our intelligence, we need to arrange it to 2 sides. Then you can fix the verb in between. So what is a plain sentence you are getting now? A hornbill, lived, trunk, hole. Remaining combined by yourself. Let's learn the next topic. It is types of sentences. There are basically 5 different types of sentences. First one is assertive sentence. Assertive sentence can be divided to 2 types, affirmative and negative. Assertive sentence is actually a common statement. It is further divided to 2 types, affirmative and negative. Affirmative example, she listens to my advice. A simple sentence, that's all. And in the end we will be putting full stop. Now check the negative sentence. She does not listen to my advice. Why we call it as negative is that in negative sentence always there will be a usage of not. Next we have interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence always ends with a question mark. Next we have imperative sentence. Imperative sentence is in the form of order, request, advice, instruction, etc. Example, close the door. Students, now let's learn about the next category of sentence. An exclamatory sentence is used to express a strong or sudden feeling of joy, sorrow, etc. It will have an exclamation mark in it. Now, last category of sentence. It is optative sentence. Optative sentence is used to express one's wish, prayer, etc. Example, may you live long. This type of sentence also ends with exclamation mark. But it will be to express one's wish or prayer. So now, let's try these examples. Would you please lend me your pen? Which is that category of sentence? It is ending with a question mark. So it will be interrogative sentence. Second one, don't let your child play in the street. Don't let your child play in the street. Is it beginning with name of person, place or thing? No. An imperative sentence always begins with the verb. So that is imperative sentence. Order, request, advice, etc. is always given, always begins with verb. So it is imperative sentence. Next one. Can you blame him for your misfortunes? Question mark. Whenever the question mark is there, it will be interrogative sentence. Similarly, remaining you can do by yourself. So till we meet again, goodbye.